Adding complementary products to existing stores means you're monetizing traffic that you've already paid for. And a customer that buys one product is much more likely to buy a second product. Alongside that, you might just want to try running ads to a new product on the same store. Whatever the case may be, in this video, I'm going to show you how to add additional product pages built with AI using the Atlas AI product page feature. On your dashboard, you can go ahead and click Create Product Pages under this AI product page card. Another way to do it is to scroll down to your history, and inside of the theme that you want to generate additional product page, you can go ahead and click this button. Now, as you can see, this button only appears if you've actually imported the store. If you just generated the store and you haven't actually imported it, you're not going to have the ability to add a product page. So you can navigate using this button, or if you'd like, you can also use this button here. No matter which button you're going to click, you're going to be taken here. The first step is to select your language. We have many different options to choose from. The next step is to select the theme, or confirm the theme if it's already selected. Then you'll see this button here, Generate Product Page based on an existing template. If selected, this button allows you to generate a product page with AI based on an already existing Shopify template you have. We're going to show you exactly how to do this in another video. So for now, we're going to leave it unchecked. Again, we can use any of these sources to generate an additional product page that will be added into the original store that we generated. So for simplicity, we're going to add another Shopify product, and say we want to add this Crystal Smooth Hair Eraser to sell alongside of our red light therapy wand. So we'd go ahead and click this product and click select. Now our product page is being created. Just like when building the store, our AI is scraping all of the relevant and available information on this product and creating a product profile to create this product page. It's looking for common problems that these customers would have and then addressing those problems in the copy of the actual product page. This process usually takes just a couple of minutes. Now the product page has been generated, and you'll see it's very similar to setting up the store. So we have all of our images, we'll click proceed, and then you'll have a very familiar editing section here as well, but instead of the store, it's just the individual product page. Whenever you're ready, you can go ahead and click import product page, confirm it, and then it will begin to import into the store that you've selected. Now our product page has been imported successfully. So at this point, we can go and view all of our stores. And as you can see, Atlas Theme 5, this is the theme that we have imported our product page into. Now, if we go into this theme and we go to collections, we'll see that our product has been imported. And this is our product page that we just generated, imported seamlessly onto the store that we've created. And that is exactly how to generate additional product pages with the AI product page tool inside of Atlas.